Alright, so I just found a Shark Rotator in the trash this morning. This thing, it is in rough shape, and I don't know if it's going to be worth fixing. Yeah, it's missing the power nozzle, obviously. That wasn't there. I looked. Trust me, I looked. But that's not there, so that's basically kills this machine, honestly. Because that's going to be 60 bucks on eBay, so it's not really worth it. I bet the power nozzle did what all sharks do, and it probably snapped. The neck probably snapped right in half. They got frustrated with it and threw it away. Otherwise, I mean, it is a real shame. This thing is in great condition. Okay, I'm kind of lying, but if it had the power nozzle, I could have done something with this, but since it doesn't, the thing is probably just parts for my rotator, which does have some issues, so it will benefit from some parts. Mine doesn't have the dusting brush, and this one has it. Now, this dusting brush is pretty filthy. I usually don't see them this bad, but, you know, it is savable. Unfortunately, the handle is also cracked, so I don't think this hose is actually split, which I would be very surprised if it isn't, honestly. There is supposed to be like a retainer thing here. They snapped that off somehow. And then the handle is chipped. There's a chip there and then a crack right there. And then we also have a huge chip right there, I bet, and a chip there. So these things just get brittle and they just degrade, honestly. They just turn back to dust, so I'm not really surprised. Otherwise, this thing is actually pretty clean. Like I said, the hose is filthy, but the rest of this thing is just dusty. I haven't actually looked at this yet, so let's see if I am telling the truth. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, well, that's full, so we can empty that. That's okay. I mean, there's some dust there, but this filter actually seems pretty clean. I mean, okay, maybe I'm lying a bit there. How do I say this? It can be washed. Like, this filter seems fine. Like, I can just wash this and put it back in. I mean, it doesn't seem too bad. Oh. Oh, damn. That filter's worse than my other one. The rotator I had previously from about last year that I found in the trash had a really, really bad filter in it. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh, dude, that kills me a little bit inside. All that dust just went in the motor. Oh my god, watch. When I do that. It just goes everywhere. That is disgusting. Oh man. I'm gonna tip this upside down so I can get all the dirt out of there. That's what came out of there. Oh my god. That reeks, guys. This reeks. Oh my god, this stinks. Yeah, this thing is disgusting. I bet this motor is gonna be bad. So hopefully it at least gives us a show. Did I just snap something? That's not coming out. Okay, so we do have a crevice tool, which is in good condition. I do have one of these for my rotator, but it's always nice to have a spare. And then we do have our dusting brush, which I need one of these, so this is great to have. Because my rotator only has the extendable crevice tool, the mattress brush, and the normal crevice tool. It doesn't actually have the dusting brush. So anyways, now one thing we also do have here is a good cord, obviously, but we actually have here an extension cord that was put on it. So I'm taking that. That's for me. Let's get that off of there, so it'll come off. Like I said, I'm keeping this, so there's nothing wrong with that, so I'm keeping that. Let's see when this one was made. Oh, wow, this one's also super early. This is a 2013. Pretty late 2013, but still, it's a 2013 like my one. So that is surprising. So, honestly, if this motor is good, because mine has an issue with the wand coming out. Here, let's see if this one will do it. So you press that. Yeah, so mine has an issue with that, and it doesn't lock. So I might, like, steal the mechanism out of there, or if the motor is good somehow, I might honestly just swap the entire body. Like, without the wand, obviously, but, like, this piece. But, I mean, it is faded, but I think my other rotator is also kind of faded, but not as bad as this one is. So, I guess we're going to get this thing plugged in and see what it does. Alright, plugged in. I mean, listen to this. When I pick it up, just listen to the creaking. It was just disgusting. Like, that's nasty. That's cheap. Alright, oh my god, I'm kind of scared. Let's see how this one sounds. Oh! surprisingly, sounds pretty good. Let's get the bin on, because obviously it's not going to sound, is this a good idea? I don't really, whatever. Let's listen. Oh yeah, that motor sounds awesome. So honestly, I might transfer this piece on my other rotator, because my other rotator has a iffy motor. I mean, it's not bad, but it's also not perfect. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a parts one, but let's see, does it have, well, I did take the filters out, so it's probably not going to be clogged. Here, I'm going to put the original filters back in this machine. We're going to see how clogged it is. Yeah. Oh, that's not actually that bad. You can hear it's kind of clogged, but the suction valve isn't going. Let's see how much suction this thing has. Oh, crap. I can't get it off. Wow, that's actually surprising. I am surprised how well that sounds. I thought this thing was going to blow up, but you know, it's a decent machine for parts, and I can take the cord, and, well, I don't think I'm going to take the cord off of this one, because I'm going to transfer the whole base. But yeah, this is definitely a decent machine for parts. So I guess thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.